able to figure out how many cups of red paint we need to get from one cup of white paint, you need to figure out what can you multiply 7 by to get 3. Now, the easiest way to do that, we're looking at 7 times some number equals 3. And the easiest way to do that is to take what we have here as our answer and divide it by the original number. We want to do the opposite, which is division. So if you do 3 divided by 7, you can also think of that as 3/7. And that's your answer, because let's take a look. If we take 7 and multiply it by 3/7, that becomes 21/7, or 3. So it checks out. So if you multiply by 3/7 in the left column, that will equal your answer in the right column. So 1 cup of white paint gives you 3/7 cups of red paint.